Welcome to PyMath. Let's look at a problem that appeared in the Kangaroo competition, grade 9 to 10, year 2023. This is a 4-pointer problem. The problem is shown there. The points M and N are the midpoints of the two sides of the big rectangle that is shown there. What portion of this big rectangle is shaded? Is that what the question states? So before we get to the problem, we can see this rectangle is divided into several triangles. Portion of it is shaded and the rest of it is not shaded. So if you look at the shaded portion, the height of the shaded portion is always half of the original height or the half of the full rectangle. So if you look at the width of it is what we are going to arrive at using the triangle mid-segment theorem. What this theorem states is if you look at the triangle ABC and if you arrive at the midpoints of AB and midpoint of BC as D and E. So what I really want to say is BD and AD are the same and BE and EC are the same. Then DE will be half of the original width, which is the length of the side BC. This is what the triangle mid-segment theorem states. So the width of the shaded portion is actually half of the width of each of these bigger triangles. So area of shaded triangles is half of the height of the shaded portion is h by 2 and the width is going to be b by 2 because the width of each of the shaded portion is just b by 2. B is the width of the original triangle. So if you multiply this 2 and 2, if you get it out, you will see half bh multiplied by 1 by 4. So each of these shaded triangles will be 1 by 4th of area of full triangle. So if you look at each of these triangles, the shaded portion will be 1 by 4th of the bigger triangles. So if you look at the sum of all the shaded portions, it will be still 1 by 4th of the full shaded and unshaded portions or the triangles that form the full rectangle here. So the answer is option C. Thank you for listening.